Good evening, gardening with Ben followers. I've just had to re-record this because I realised I said the Yorkshire gardener, so that bit's being cut out. So yeah, good evening, gardening with Ben followers. It's obviously getting to me filming this at night rather than in the morning as usual. So that's a little fun bit for me, so I'm glad I noticed that before it got pointed out. So yeah, I've not been on the allotment today. It's been nasty weather here in Sheffield, chucking it down, horrible, rainy, cold, windy, so I thought I'll stay at home and keep warm. So I've been thinking about what I'm going to be doing over the next few months. Obviously I'm doing all my plot at the moment, but I'm not producing much content for you guys and girls at the moment, so I thought I'd try and do a bit of experimenting, because I'm often watching YouTube videos and everything on how to grow stuff, because obviously I need tips as well, so I have to go somewhere for all my tips and advice. So yeah, I thought that I've seen many videos of people growing fruit and stuff, what you wouldn't often see growing on an allotment. So I thought I'm going to go across to Tesco and purchase some myself. So I've been across and I've purchased some unusual fruit, what you wouldn't necessarily grow here in England, and that it probably won't grow any fruit on it, to be honest, but we're going to give them a try and see if we can get them germinated and see how they can grow. So yeah, let's have a look at what we're growing over the winter time. So the first thing I'm going to try and grow is an orange. I've seen people grow these from seed, not necessarily, obviously we won't get fruit in sunny Sheffield, but I'm going to try and grow an orange tree and see what happens. Now next up is an avocado. I've seen people try and attempt to grow avocados and they've failed and some have done well, but I've been reading up on how to grow them, so I'm going to try and grow one myself again. I don't think they get fruit on them, but I'm going to give it a try. It'll look good for ornamental and it'll be something nice to have down on the allotment to have a look at and to look after. Now next up is the kiwi. Now I think you can actually get kiwis growing in England, so fingers crossed we can try and see if we can get some growing. Next is the lemon, and again I think I've seen people get lemons on their trees in England, so I'm going to try that. You never know, we could be having lemon in as gin for next Christmas. Not next Christmas, I doubt it, to be honest. But yeah. Next up, strawberries. Now I have got a lot of strawberry plants obviously on my plot, but I thought I would try and grow some strawberry plants from seed, and if it works then obviously all you lot can go away and try it yourselves and grow loads of strawberries, and it'll save having to purchase strawberry plants online when you can grow them yourself from strawberries at the supermarket. Now I've read they don't fruit as much in the first year, but that's the same with any new strawberry plant, so they usually crop better in the second year, so if it works, bonus. So next up we are going to try obviously the peanuts. I mentioned that before about growing peanuts. Peanuts do not grow on a bush, they grow in the ground. They grow like the beans and the peas, but they grow underground and you dig them up. They're not actually peanuts. Peanuts are not actually nuts, if you get me. They're not classed as nuts. And next up is a mango. I thought I'd try that for a laugh, just to see if I can get a mango tree growing here in sunny Sheffield. Now next up, I tried melons last year and they failed, but I'm going to try them again. I don't give up too easy because I can grow them. I've grown them before in my polytunnel, so I'm going to try again next year. So rather than buy the melon seeds, because they are quite expensive to purchase melon seeds, I thought why not just buy the melon, eat the fruit and save the seeds. So we're going to try the honeydew, and next up is a cantaloupe. I'm going to try that, and then one melon that I've never seen in my life before is a sweet snowball. That's a new one for me. Has anybody seen a sweet snowball before, and have they tried it? So I'll look forward to tasting that. Obviously I'm going to have to eat all this fruit what I'm going to be taking the seeds from. So yeah, it does have its benefits, healthy benefits. And also I thought I'd just try and grow some pear trees from a pear and see if it works. You never know. So one reason why I'm growing them is because I like to experiment in growing different things, like I said. Another thing is, obviously, there's not much growing at this time of year, in December and stuff, so I can start a lot of these off in my flat at home and get them growing and see if they'll grow. And also it's providing you more content through the winter time when I'm not providing hardly any content at the moment. It's just me digging on my plot. So yeah, hopefully I'm going to be filming all this, and it gives me a chance to try out my new camera, what I'm filming on now, and video it and share the content with you. So yeah, exciting things, so stay tuned and we'll see if we have mangoes in Sheffield. So enjoy and look forward to the videos, everybody. I hope you're all well and have a great day, everyone, and remember, keep gardening.